Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Facebook may be responsible for putting the word social in social media. But there are times when you don't want or don't have time to engage with friends. If you want to log in into Facebook without your friends knowing you're online, you can easily turn off your active status so you appear offline on Facebook. How to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile. You can scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. You can scroll down until you find Active Status on Audience and Visibility. Here, you can tap on that. Active Status. Show when you're active. When your active status active, your friends and connection can see when you're active or very recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. To change this setting, to turn it off wherever you're using Messenger or Facebook and your active status will no longer be shown. So you can tap on the toggle to turn off the active status right here. Turn off active status, you won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, recently active, or in chat with you. You can tap on turn off. So your friends and your connection will be not able to see when you're active. So that is how to turn off active status on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!